Hello, and welcome to UX Academy's YouTube channel, where we empower small business owners with the tools they need to succeed in the digital space. Today, we are diving into an essential topic: how to know if the website you paid for is actually worth it. Websites are an investment, and they should deliver results, not just look pretty. So, if you have ever wondered, did my website designer do a good job? This checklist is for you. The first thing is visual appeal. Your website should look professional and be consistent with your brand. Here's a quick checklist. Is your logo clarity visible? Do the colors and fonts match your brand identity? Is the layout clean, modern, and easy to navigate? Next up, user experience. Your website needs to be easy to use, both for the first time visitors and returning clients. Ask yourself, can users find key informations like services, contact details, or a shop link in under 10 seconds? Are the menu and navigation intuitive? Is the site mobile friendly? Over 50% of traffic comes from mobile devices. Speed and security are non-negotiable. Does your website load in 3 seconds or less? If not, you are losing visitors. Do you have an SSL certificate? This is the little padlock icon in the browse bar. It shows your site is secure and trustworthy. Are all plugins and software up to date? Outdated systems can make your site vulnerable to attacks. Your website needs to communicate your value. Here's what to check. Does the homepage explain who you are and what you do? Are your call to action clear? For example, buttons like get a code or contact us should stand out. Is your content concise and easy to read without overwhelming visitors? Lastly, let's talk about search engine optimization. Are your images labeled with alt text? Does your site include relevant keywords for your business? Are there proper meta descriptions and title tags for each page? And that's our website quality checklist. If your website checks all these boxes, you have got a tool that can truly help you grow your business. If not, it might be time to have a chat with your web designer or even with us at UX Academy Design Studio. We are here to make your digital presence a success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know what is your biggest website challenge. See you in the next video.